What's up, guys? It's Jacob here with my friend Jonathan and his 2005 STI. Pretty majestic thing over here with the bouncing.
Yeah. Excuse a little the fin rattling.
I don't know if
the wing for some reason just bounced.
Too much race car up in here.
Exactly, way too much.
So anyways, what do you have done to it engine wise?
It's an IEG stage 2.5 block. Has a FP green turbo, 1300 cc injectors, 300 cc fuel pump, 272 cams, a couple little lifters and retainers. That's all. It's pretty basic. Not too crazy. No exhaust.
So
yeah, two.
Oh, and a tune. Which way are you going there, big trucker?
Come on, big fella. Okay, big fella. You go this way.
Obviously, everyone's seen you over there with SD.
Yes.
Is it SD Racing?
Yep. That's where everybody knows me from. Is SD Racing. John, you've been doing a great job on my car for the past 4.5 years since I've had it. I've always had it. Yeah. So pretty much, he's been great. I recommend him because he's always done good for me. He's been doing tunes for every stage of my build.
Yeah.
From 260 horsepower to 420 like it's on right now.
So it's at 420 right now?
Yep, it's on 420. We stopped him at over.
Do you play? Can you go any higher? Or
I mean, I can. I just fuel. The fuel runs out. I need more fuel. So once I upgrade the fuel system again, I'll be going for the bigger power.
Yeah.
Once that, it should be in the 5-ish.
That's not bad.
On the Mustang down. That's the good part.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I don't down that jet like everybody else has.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
Right only. That's alright. So, do you plan on going higher than 500, or is it just 500 and you're done?
For right now, because it's my daily driver, so I'm probably just going to stick with 500. That's enough to beat whatever I want to beat.
Oh.
I mean, all I want to do is beat a Hellcat. Once I beat a Hellcat, I'm all good.
I think you could beat a Hellcat.
Yeah, he said I'd be pretty close to one, but they're also stupid fast.
No, man, they're not that bad.
Oh, they're pretty quick. And they got a automatic, so it's pretty fast transmission.
Oh, yeah, I guess that's true. What is this, a 5-speed or a 6-speed?
It's a 6-speed.
Anything done to that, or is it just stock?
Yeah, actually, STI 6-speeds are actually one of the best transmissions you can actually get for a Subaru. They're actually really built, like almost bulletproof. You got some people like making 1,000 horsepower on stock.
Well, that's good. At least you don't have to worry about replacing it then.
The only thing bad is the fourth gear on a lot of STIs go bad.
Yeah.
This woman is really just going down the turn signal.
She's old. You gotta give her a break, man.
I give her a little break.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, sounds nice.
It does sound pretty good. Think
Oh shit. Okay, see, I thought you were just gonna, build up a little bit, but that built up pretty fucking
yeah, no, I was going to only go to 5,000, but then I was like, I'm right here. I might can just keep on going.
You can hear it build up, and it sounds so beautiful. Like
it's obnoxiously loud. That's the best part.
Oh, jeez, that's loud.
Oh, it's obnoxious. I got the HKS in the back too. I was thought about putting that on, make it even more loud. Let's see, like, what the heck?
Do it. Woo.
Now, hey, she actually using her turn signal for that thing now.
Oh, look. She was just planning ahead.
Yeah, she was just trying to.
It's an old lady with a turn signal on, like a good. I don't even know. I can't pay attention to if it's a mode or not because I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm scared too.
He misplaces my trust. Oh God, it builds up so nice.
It is.
It's been so long since I've been in a turbo car where it builds up before it like knocks you back.
Yeah, there's not that much turbo lag. That's the best part. I was gonna go crazy on the whole thing, right? Because whenever I was building, I had so much problems, and we get right here.
Alright,
Maybe
let's
more
do
than
it.
just a second.
Oh Jesus Christ! Oh God! I haven't been that scared since the fucking Supra.
It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good for what it is.
Oh my gosh.
Can't complain. That's the best part.
That's so beautiful. I want one.
You
one.
Yeah, it actually used to have a I don't know how true this is, but somebody that does actually put the breathalyzer test in here, he actually said this is actually one for a breathalyzer test. So my car used to actually have a little thing used to blow before you crank it up.
Oh my god.
Previous owner, if you look in the front of the bumper, somebody hit it with a mailbox.
Right.
I don't know if he was drunk or just wasn't paying attention, but yeah, that's why the whole front bumper's messed up. Then we'll talk about the rear bumper. That's a little messed up.
It's alright.
Alright, let's get a 1, 2, 3. Let's make this.
There's about to be train tracks. I don't know if you want to go over that fast. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh my fucking god. Oh,
I'm scared. This is great.
Jesus.
This is great. You love this.
The dude gave a thumbs up. Did you see it? The dude in the Explorer gave a thumbs up.
Let's see. Alright, ready?
Oh my god.
That dude right here in the challenge is probably like, what the heck is these kids doing?
A damn racers in there,
Exactly.
blow off valves. You ain't got the big old V8s.
It was funny. I had a lot of options I was going to do with this car when it blew up last time.
Like what?
I was going to LS swap it.
Oh jeez.
I thought about LS swapping it. Then I thought about selling it and just putting a stock one in and getting a Forester STI.
Oh.
Which I would be like, that'd be awesome to have for the simple fact there's not that many in America.
Right.
I only know like 5 of them.
Yeah, so it would be even harder to find.
Yeah.
Let's see if old buddy can get beside us. Oh well, he's kind of going slow.
It's kind of going slow, but you don't want to hit this car.
Dude, that's a nice car. Boom.
Oh yeah. See, then if y'all ever pay attention to the back, yeah, somebody hit me during the snow. There's a silver Dodge Neon.
What window? I don't know if the noise is gonna
Oh yeah.
get caught by the wind or
I
not.
forgot I definitely had what you call it plugged into dude. Yeah. So pretty much one day I came outside working at the mall. It just snowed. Now I hear somebody doing donuts in
Right.
the snow. So I go out there and I look. Dude's doing donuts around my car. Then bam, hits it. I'm like, yo, what the heck are you doing? He just takes off and goes. Little Dodge Neon. I was like,
A Dodge Neon.
that was a
Get
little
your
Dodge
car.
Neon. Yep.